there, it's Ashley from WTI. We all want beautiful skin, but that can be hard to achieve without the right tools. UTILYZE makes an amazing facial cleansing tool. It uses sonic waves, over 20,000 of them per minute, to give your skin the amazing clean that it needs. I love how gentle it is on my skin, yet it gets rid of dirt, makeup, sebum, and gives my skin a beautiful glow. All I do is I put the bristles under my running water, I put my favorite facial cleanser directly on it, and then I choose the type of facial cleansing I want. There are 3 types, so you have the delicate, all-purpose, and deep cleanse. I do the deep cleanse about once a week. Otherwise, my favorite is the delicate option for a daily clean. And then you will notice at the bottom, there's also the option of doing a timed cleansing program, routine or enhanced. I love pairing the enhanced clean with the deep cleansing option. I feel like that gives my skin a really nice deep cleaning that it needs just about once a week. I don't overdo it. But if that's not enough, it also has a separate massage attachment and mode. This feels absolutely amazing. I don't feel like I'm missing out anymore on facials because I can have one right here in the comfort of my home. The bristles are super soft, no need to push hard. You simply allow the bristles to gently glide over your skin and they do all the work. I've used a lot of facial cleansing tools in the past, as I'm sure you have also, like different brushes, silicone scrubbers, but nothing comes close to the quality and benefits of this facial brush, including collagen production, hydration through blood flow. It reduces the signs of aging. I rarely have a breakout, and overall, I'm really happy with the way my skin looks. But that's just my point of view.